every day, one by one, I'm gonna try every recipe of Laura, starting from the very beginning. Come, join me on my challenge. Let's go! Hi everyone! My name is Ruta and welcome to the 301st, was that, day of my challenge? What just vibrate? I swear these modern homes are beeping and singing and vibrating. I sit for a second and I hear a noise and then I'm like, what should I do? So anyways, today I'm gonna try a very unique sounding recipe, at least for me. That's, what was the name? Pancetta and balsamic glaze? I'm failing at this. Pancetta and balsamic green beans. Thank goodness for the cheat note. Green beans and bacon sounds quite interesting, but I have a feeling that it has a very big potential of becoming a favorite combination. So let's see how that goes. So if you're curious to see how it goes trying this recipe out for the very first time, then keep on watching. We're gonna need 500 grams of green beans, trimmed, 170 grams of pancetta, finely diced, 2 cloves of garlic, sliced, 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, 2 teaspoons of olive oil, a pinch of hot pepper flakes, and salt and pepper. Let's start with the green beans. I have a little pot with some boiling water, which I'm gonna salt now. Then add the green beans, cook them for 3 minutes, then drain and set aside. And now let's move on to the skillet, which I have here a large non-stick skillet with high sides, to which now I'm gonna add the olive oil and preheat it for just a minute. I don't want the oil to be very hot once I add the pancetta. And now Laura didn't really mention in this recipe what heat it should be. I'll just use medium heat as always. So once the oil preheats for a minute or so, I'm gonna add the pancetta and cook it for 2 minutes. So I actually increased the heat to medium-high and cooked for 4 minutes to get this pancetta to look golden brown and all delicious. So now to this, I'm gonna add the garlic and the hot pepper flakes and cook for 1 more minute. Oh my goodness, this smells so good. Okay, now, so to this, I'm gonna add the balsamic vinegar, cook for 30 seconds, and turn the heat off. Okay, so with the heat off, I'm gonna add the green beans, season them with salt and pepper, and just mix everything together. Oh, I know it bothers some people when other people try food from, the main plate, but I'm in my own home. I love green beans. I want some pancetta. Oh my god. It's settled. You can put bacon literally to anything. Now I'm remembering, what was it called? I tried savory cookies. I think they were called Parmesan bacon cookies or something like that. So that was interesting. This was, oh, I want another bite. This was interesting as well, like green beans with bacon. But I mean, why not? It's so good. The dressing, I'm all over this place. This is so good. Oh my god, the sauce, the pancetta, the green beans, a lack of eye contact. This is really good. Now, I'm trying to think of people who wouldn't like this. Well, first of my mind are vegetarians, because there is meat, but I mean, if you like bacon, and if you don't mind green beans, my husband, for example, doesn't really like them. What a weirdo, right? So, I know this will mainly go to me. I'm not complaining. My goodness, this is so good. Okay, this, believe it or not, is still hot. Am I getting better or what? The sauce is like, oh my god, it's like sweet and sticky and oh so good. So I'll be running away. If you want, check how I did. This is Laura's version. If you want to check her video, click there. If you want the written recipe, as always, check the description box down below. I always convert every single recipe I try from Laura in the Kitchen into metric system because I'm using it myself and I want to understand how much of everything to use. So if you're also using metric system, then I'm your gal. I've got you covered. Check for the recipe in the description box, as I mentioned, and let me know. Would you be daring to try? I mean, there's no dare or challenge in this. This is just plain goodness, but would you try something like that? I didn't even think such thing exists, but here it is. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye!